My name is Brian Cummings, and I'm here representing Worthington Industries. We are a value-added steel processing company. We buy steel from our steel mills and then process it according to what our customers' needs are. Some of the companies that we supply our steel to are Harley-Davidson motorcycles, John Deere tractors, and all the major automobile companies. We've been using Serena Business Manager for about 3 years now. Prior to using SBM, we were faced with a lot of issues such as a lot of manual processes, a lot of paperwork, and we wanted to be able to follow ITIL practices. And unfortunately, the tool that we had in place just wasn't being able to supply those needs. So we decided to go with Serena Business Manager, and it took us about 90 days. We were able to develop all of our first workflows and get them deployed to our production system and available to our users. Part of our corporate culture includes a corporate philosophy that we need to treat our employees and customers well. In IT, what we found is we weren't supplying those needs to our business users as well as we wanted to be able to. And in order to get around that, to help solve that issue, we decided to adopt ITIL as a framework for ITSM. And we were able to utilize Serena Business Manager as the tool to implement our ITIL practices. SBM was a good fit for us in order to adopt the ITIL practices because we were able to customize all of our internal business practices and align our IT practices with our business strategic goals, and we were able to use Serena Business Manager to customize those processes. So now 3 years into this, we see a lot of advantages to using Serena Business Manager. We're able to automate all of our business processes, all of our internal IT processes, and align them with our business. We're able to break out all of the processes into individual requests. For example, our service request processes get routed to the correct people. Our incident management goes to the right group, and the escalations can happen. And using the escalation functionalities, we now know when things are due, and when things are overdue, and when the appropriate people get notified for those. Worthington Industries has been on the Fortune magazine's 100 best companies to work for 4 times now. It's also been on the list of being Fortune magazine's best managed companies. And our corporate philosophy revolves around employee and customer satisfaction. Within IT, we've been able to use Serena Business Manager to help our customers, which are our business users. Our IT people are able to see where the work is, who it's been assigned to, and the trackability, and make sure that we're able to meet our SLAs. For our end users, what that means is that they're able to call into our service desk and get a quick response to their needs. They are able to come into the system and check the status of their tickets that they've logged. So that visibility really gives us great customer service. I see the tool really starting to grow. When we first started down this path of using SBM, it was only for our service delivery workflows, and as people began to use the system, they saw the real benefits of being able to quickly develop applications, and that's what quickly we were able to grow that and start adopting some of the other practices within SBM. So in the future, we see utilizing SBM outside of IT and it continuing to grow and be able to take advantage of some of the newer functionality is what we're really looking forward to right now.